This is Michael with ID Solutions. In this quick tip video, I'll be showing you how to keep your website images displayed on your pages mobile responsive using an important image custom style called responsive image. The responsive image custom style will automatically resize your images and realign your images when the page displaying the image is resized to the size of a phone screen or small viewport. For example, I'm looking at a page on my website where I have inserted some images and aligned them to the right of paragraphs, or to the left, or to the right. Without the use of the responsive image custom style, this is how the page looks when viewed from a mobile screen. As the screen size gets smaller, more and more orphan text appears to sit beside each of the images. The images themselves are still showing some alignment. Finally, from a phone screen, they resize down appropriately. I can assist the images on this page by applying the responsive image custom style to the images. Let me show you how the images would behave once the custom style has been applied to them. I'm sure you'll find that the images and their display is improved. I've already logged into the SiteCM Manager, and I'm going to edit the page. Here you see I have inserted some images to the right and to the left of the paragraphs as demonstrated. To recall how to do this, I click my mouse cursor next to the paragraph where I want to insert the image, and I use the Insert Image icon to insert it. Choosing the image from a category, I insert the image. Next, I use Image Properties to align this image to the right or to the left of the paragraph I've inserted it next to. For this example, I'll align my image to the right of the paragraph. Now typically when you're working with desktop displays, you also want to add some top, bottom, right, and left margin spacing to this image so that you create a bit of a buffer space between the image and the paragraph that you've aligned the image next to. For this example, I will not be doing that. Instead, I'm going to apply a CSS class that'll take care of the margin spacing and alignment when displaying on a mobile device for me. If I click my CSS class drop-down menu, I'll see two important custom styles immediately available. One is the responsive image class. Two is an image fit container custom style. We'll be looking at the image fit container custom style in our next webinar. I'm going to choose the responsive image custom style. I'm also going to set the width of my image to 300 pixels so that the image is a bit smaller on my page. Click OK. The image is right aligned next to the paragraph I've inserted it next to. You'll also notice that the responsive image custom style has also automatically applied some buffer space between the image and the paragraph. This was done automatically with the custom style applied to the image. Let's take care of this next image to make sure that it's responsive as well. I'm going to click on the image, right-click on it, and select Properties. While I was setting up the image properties, I could choose Responsive Image. The image has been now styled to behave responsibly on a mobile device. There is also some automatically created buffer space between the image and the paragraph. Finally, with our image found at the very bottom, let's repeat the same steps. Right-click in Properties and select the responsive image custom style. I see here that some left margin spacing has been applied to this image. Let's remove it. We don't need any margin spacing around our images. We've set their alignment. The responsive image custom style will take care of the rest. Click OK. Perfect. Now when I view this page and I save and launch it, the images displayed on my page display in their alignments for desktop as I've set them in the page editor, but when viewed from a mobile device, they resize themselves appropriately to fit the phone screen. No hassles, no fuss, the responsive image custom style. We hope that you've enjoyed this SiteCM quick tip video in working with your responsive images for your website. Please also feel free to check out the image fit container custom style, our next SiteCM quick tip video. Thanks again.